this feeling of floating, of lightness, of wonder, where everything is possible. You think of it and you are there, you become it. It's like a slow dance early in the morning with the breeze touching your skin, uplifting, energizing, trusting your wings to take you above and beyond and protecting you. You feel grounded while floating. You feel free. This freedom to be and do what and who you are. Whether above or below, it's spaciousness. It is slow. It is dancing with the air and water. Would you fly with me, my love? In water, just as much as in the air. On earth, just as much as in the air. In fire, just as much as in the air. I invite you. Fly. Flying. So what about if today, to embody this flying, this expanding, allowing yourself to dream? What about if you close your eyes and you feel the feet on the ground? You feel your body. You feel roots growing through your feet in the earth. And then connect to your heart. Breathe a couple of times in your heart. And you start feeling your wings. You start feeling your wings. You start feeling how big they are. You start feeling how much space they take in the space you are, in the room you are. You start feeling into the colors of your wings. Feel your wings. And fly. Fly with me. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.